Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, October 22nd. I'm doing a recap of the top viewed videos of the day, and the US dollar came in number one today, so we're going to do a quick recap on the 1 hour time frame. If you didn't see my full top down analysis from this morning on the euro dollar, make sure you check out the video linked at the end of this video over here. But first, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you'd like to get access to my swing trade signals, my daily live streams on Zoom, and my 34 video trading course are included for only $30 per month. So anyways, I left my Fibonacci retracement on here from this morning because, if you have been following along with my videos, then you know that I've been telling you to do nothing but look for shorts. Look what happened today. We got one, two, three waves up, Fibonacci bounce, and golfing move to the downside. Another trend trader's dream of an entry. So I'm not even thinking about looking for any longs whatsoever unless price goes up and breaks this high. Even if it does turn up, I am ignoring all moves to the upside, but instead I'm just looking to go short at the end of every single three-wave pullback I see, especially when we get such nice Fibonacci retracement bounces. So still looking for shorts in a downtrend. So, anyways, yeah, I've been pretty slow as far as news is concerned. Tomorrow we have some pretty good news, though. We have the Canadian interest rate news. They are planning on lowering interest rate by 50 basis points tomorrow, so that's a pretty big drop. Besides that, not really a whole lot. I'd pay attention to the Canadian press conference. The Holmes is not going to do much. Lagarde could move the market a little bit in the euro, and I wouldn't expect either of these to really do a whole lot either. So pretty much just Canadian news tomorrow as far as news-driven moves. So anyways, don't forget to join my free Discord channel, link down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.